Hello everyone, this is Architect Yugi as usual. So onto this video, I'm going to show you how you can get to download and install what they call the Bitchat application. So if at all you don't know what it is and how it operates, this is what they call the Bitchat application. Onto it, you can do send text messages, you can do also send voice notes, and also you can send pictures onto this application. So what's so unique about this application? With this application, you don't need data connection or Wi-Fi connection for it to operate. It only needs Bluetooth and the location setting turned on. So that's how basically it operates. It uses the Bluetooth mesh network for it to operate. So people, in order to get to interact with anyone onto this application, it has to be installed onto their phones. And also let me first show you how you can get to download it before even I get to give you all those details. So to be able to download this application, you need to go to the you need to go to the Google Play Store application. First, make sure that you are signed into it. First, make sure that you're signed into the Google Play Store application. Once you're ready and everything is set, then get here and get to look for what they call the Bitchat application over here. So this is what they call the Bitchat application. So the next thing to do is to get to install it, but mine is already installed onto my phone already. So I'm gonna just open it because it's already installed. So when you get here, you will see the word install. That's the word you will see onto the Bitchat application. So yeah, that's how basically you can get to download and install the Bitchat application